I welcome you to Village Herbs Clinic. This is our social media education. Follow us for more education because Village Herbs, here people live longer. Today we are going to learn about one herb that can cure, not treat, that can cure at least 3 crucial conditions. One herb that can cure at least 3 crucial conditions that people are wondering about. Follow us for more. Let's start. Remember, always healing starts from the mind. Let's go. Yeah, today we are talking about carrots. And let's talk about people who are suffering from breast cancer or prostate cancer or colon cancer, that they want to use carrots to cure the condition. People have gone to chemotherapy. They have done their best, but still they are dying. Remember, chemo kills the good cells and kills the bad cells alongside. And our body is built up with cells. We are built up with about 37 trillion cells. And when you are killing all these cells, that's why you are killing the living organism of the human being. And people will die. So people die most like 3 years after chemo, 5 years after chemo, some 7 years after chemo, mostly 10 years after. But we are going to learn about herbal medicine that will reverse the cells, that will make you live longer and live and enjoy life. Remember, healing starts from the mind. So when you're going to do this, remember, if you don't accept it, that you are healed in the mind, you'll never be healed. That's we say healing starts from the mind. We're going to talk about carrots. You say, that's carrots? Yes, carrot can cure cancer. Ordinary carrots. So we are going to learn how you're going to use carrots to cure cancer. So follow me. When you get exotic carrots, you need at most 10. When you get a local carrot, you need at most 15. When you get an exotic carrot 10, you're going to use 1.5 liters of water. The local carrot 15, you are still going to use 1.5 liters of water. 1.5 liters of water, we are going to break into 3: morning, afternoon, and evening. You blend of 1.5 liters of water of the carrots with the carrots, and you divide into 3 sections. You take half in the morning, half in the afternoon, and half in the evening. Remember, you take part in the morning, part in the afternoon, and part in the evening. You are going to do this continuously for 6 good months. Whether it's, the cancer is, we are in the first stage, or stage 2, or stage 3, you are going to reverse it. Take it continuously for the next 6 months. I am not going to tell you you are getting a healing. You will feel that you are healing yourself, right? I'm not telling you that you are healing, but you yourself, you feel that no, I am being healed. The cancer cells is diminishing. How the breast became fat is going down. How I was growing weak, everything is going. The colon cancer, how the tummy is paining me is going. That's what carrot can do for you. Follow us for part 2. Follow, like, and share. Remember, healing starts from the mind. Tell the next help that we want us to treat, and we'll do it for you. Thank you. At a comment section.